Magandang araw po sa inyo mga tagapanood or magandang gabi. Ito po ay isang reaction video lamang mula kay tayo na at mag-subscribe sa kanya. Pa-subscribe na rin po sa channel ko. Tara na at nang masimulan na natin.
Kung ikaw ay nakakaranas ng paulit-ulit na pananakit ng tiyan at malalang pagtatae, ito ay pagpapakita ng sintomas ng Crohn's disease na isang uri ng inflammatory bowel disease.
Well, if there is an inflammation of the intestines, then you would expect symptoms that are related to the digestive system. The most common symptoms presented by people who have Crohn's disease is they have abdominal pain and bloating. They can have diarrhea also. As I've said, they can lose weight, they have fatigue, and they can actually show manifestations in other organs like the skin, like the joints, like the eyes.
Paalala ng espesyalista na magkaroon ng healthy lifestyle dahil sa dumadaming kaso ng Crohn's disease sa ating bansa.
Alam mo, ang Crohn's disease ay nagsisimula ng dumami dito sa ating bansa. Maybe because of the changes in our lifestyle, our food. Wala na tayong masyadong exercise. We don't go out anymore because we're just seated in the computer area. So we should maintain a healthy lifestyle. Exercise, lots of fruits and vegetables, and if you have symptoms that keep on recurring or have been haunting you for a long time, please come and see the doctor.
Alamin at unawain ang mga iba pang dahilan bakit nagkakaroon ng Crohn's disease ang isang tao. Manood ng Doctors on TV ngayong linggo, alas 7 ng umaga, dito lang sa UNTV. Kichi Cipriano, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.
Maraming salamat po. Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe na po tayo kay. Pa-subscribe na rin po sa channel ko. Babay po.